Hello, I'm Jade and thanks for checking out Carmoola. Today we're discussing, can I get car finance if I've just moved to the UK? Firstly, a huge congratulations if you've moved or you're just about to make the move to the UK. Moving country is expensive as it can cause chaos with finances and savings just disappearing on visas, rent, etc. The thing is, in order to borrow money from most car finance providers in the UK, you'll need a credit score, which you'll only have if you have a sufficient credit history. If you don't have a credit score yet and want to finance a car, don't worry. You're not alone and you're in good hands with Carmoola. Here is our guide to getting car finance for new UK residents. Let's dive in. Getting car finance in the UK and how to. There are several different ways that you can get car finance in the UK. You could choose to go for a hire purchase, also known as HP, personal contract purchase, also known as PCP, car leasing, or even a personal loan. Now, I won't go into too much detail on any of those as we've also got videos if you search on our YouTube channel, our TikTok and Instagram. So what will you need to apply for car finance? You'll need 2 valid pieces of ID, so a driving licence and a passport, proof of income. This may be tricky if you've just moved to the UK, so maybe bank slips or if you have 3 previous pay slips. Proof of residency. If you fail to pay your bills, the lender will need to get hold of you, so a utility bill, or if you haven't lived in the UK long enough to pay bills, you may be able to show your tenancy agreement. Now, some lenders will require you to have a 3-year history of UK addresses. This can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you've got the funds, you're ready to go, but do shop around as some lenders don't require you to have 3 years of UK address history. Don't panic, but this leads me to my next hurdle in car finance if you've just moved to the UK, credit score. Traditional car finance in the UK requires applicants to have a good credit score before they can get a loan. However, if you've just moved to the country, it's highly unlikely that you'll have a credit score at all. Therefore, you might find yourself in a difficult situation when having to prove your credit worthiness. A frequently asked question, what about your credit from another country? Now, unfortunately, in most cases, your credit score doesn't follow you from one country to another. Therefore, if you have demonstrated in, say, America that you can borrow responsibly and manage your finances, sadly, that credit score won't follow you to the UK. So what should I do if I can't get a car loan? Ultimately, the only thing you can do if your non-existent credit score is preventing you from getting a car is to build it back up. Now, I'm here today to try and help you. There are different ways of working on your credit score. Here they are. Registering to vote as soon as you possibly can, taking out a microloan from a company specialised in credit rebuilding, paying all your bills on time, staying within your credit card limits, and not making too many loan applications at once. Improving your credit score can take a bit of time and it won't happen overnight, but you may be able to borrow money for a car in less than a year. In fact, here at Carmoola, here's a secret. We will consider your application if you have at least 12 months of address history in the UK. So to wrap it up, you can apply for car finance if you have just moved to the UK, but it may take a while if you can't prove 3 months of payslips or a UK address. I hope this video has helped. Stay tuned for more Carmoola videos. I'm Jade. Thanks everyone.